Hello, everyone. Today we'll be taking a closer look at Kia's new PV5 passenger vehicle. Let's start with the trunk space. Even without folding the second row seats, the PV5 offers a basic cargo capacity of 1,330 liters. That's more than enough to go camping with all your friends, or load all the items that you need for your business. Fold the second row seats down and the space increases 2.7 times, reaching up to 3,615 liters. In addition, you'll find plenty of practical storage solutions throughout the cabin, on the crash pad above the driver's seat, in the door trims, and many other places. The driver's seat is positioned high and forward, providing excellent openness and visibility on both sides. Thanks to this layout, there is room for features like a footrest in the second row. Now passengers can stretch their legs comfortably regardless of how long your trip might be. From the second row onward, the PV5 features a full, flat, low floor, achieving a step in height of just 399 millimeters. This means children or passengers with limited mobility can get in and out with much greater ease. This makes the space highly versatile for different kinds of passengers and their needs. The PV5 also comes equipped with a dedicated PBV infotainment system. Through its 12.9-inch display, you can easily control the HVAC system, monitor the vehicle status, and adjust various functions with simple, intuitive controls. What other features make the PV5 stand out? Power vehicle is a 120 kilowatt motor paired with a 71.2 kilowatt hour battery, delivering up to 412 kilometers of range on a single charge. The 150 kilowatt ultra-fast charging allows recharging up to 80% in just about 30 minutes, roughly the time it takes to enjoy a cup of coffee. And no matter where you go, the PV5 ensures you can power your equipment with ease thanks to its indoor and outdoor V2L function. The vehicle's battery can supply up to 3.6 kilowatts of electricity, making it perfect for camping, filming projects, or work sites where extra power is needed. With all of these features, the PV5 expands the horizons of mobility, allowing applications across many different fields and lifestyles in the future. So, how would you use the PV5 to create new opportunities in your life or business?